The dawn of the modern era was nearly the end for Japan's castles. In 1873, the Meiji government ordered thousands of these relics to be dismantled. But the stone flowers refused to fade. In 1867, the Satsuma Rebellion brought war back to Kumamoto. For 50 days, Saigo Takamori's rebel samurai laid siege to the fortress. Though mysterious fires gutted many buildings, the castle's core held firm, proving even in the age of modern rifles, Kato Kiyomasa's walls were invincible. Decades later, World War II air raids claimed more giants, including the keeps of Nagoya and Hiroshima. Yet, out of the ashes, a movement of rebirth began. Communities across Japan rallied to rebuild their lost symbols. Today, that spirit is most alive in Kumamoto. After the devastating 2016 earthquakes, the castle suffered catastrophic damage. But using a mix of 17th century craftsmanship and 21st century technology, like advanced seismic dampers, the main keep has been restored once again. The complete recovery may take until 2052, but every stone replaced is a testament to resilience. These aren't just ruins of the past, they are the beating heart of Japan's future.